Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Geosetter and immediately point it at the folder containing your working copies. This saves you time and preserves originals. Once done, make sure EXIF tool is installed and linked in Preferences so Geosetter can write metadata reliably. Next, enable sidecar support and choose automatic backups. This prevents accidental data loss while you edit GPS and timestamp fields. Now that the app recognizes the folder, you're ready to inspect and batch select the first set of images. You'll use the map pane to add pins or import a GPX track. This is how Geosetter maps coordinates to your photos. Once the pins or track exist, select groups of images and drag them onto the map or use match to GPX, then apply a time offset if timestamps are off. This keeps consistency across trips. Make sure to review each image's accuracy field and, if needed, refine precision or set the correct time zone so metadata reflects the real-world capture. Before closing, save your edits and choose Sidecar or write directly to files. Using backups is safer. After saving, verify that coordinates and times were written by checking the info pane or running EXIF tool to inspect EXIF/XMP tags. This confirms success. If writes fail, first check file permissions and ensure Geosetter points to the correct EXIF tool executable, then retry. A single troubleshooting tip. Restart Geosetter after fixing the path to clear cached failures and reattempt the save.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.